Has it ever crossed your mind that there's an opportunity out there that you're missing out on? An opportunity that could help you earn at least $1,050 every day? We are sure that's what you're thinking about right now, and that's exactly why this video you're watching exists. We're showing you a brand new method that's going to help you make over $1,000 every single day by using only one main website. Aside from this method being 100% free, which is obviously great, it is also something that you can do over and over again as many times as you'd like and as many times as you can. And don't worry, there will be no selling involved or making of videos either. You won't even need to have skills of a pro. All you will need is some basic everyday people skills, and you're pretty much good to go to start earning money with today's method. What's up everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. The first website that we're going to be showing you is the website that's going to generate your passive income. All you need to do is type in upleap.com, hit enter on that, and boom, you should find yourself right here. Basically, Upleap's service is to help Instagram accounts flourish. They sell Instagram followers for as low as $3 and goes up until $9, which, to be honest, sounds like a pretty good deal to us. Anyway, this is the website that's going to be helping us make money right away. Now, don't fear, you won't need to create an Instagram account if you don't have one, or drag your personal Instagram account in today's method. Nothing like that of the sort. We're going to be revealing that in a bit, but here's something that we want you to remember. We're walking you through this whole thing, so that will include a whole script, some specific buttons, so just make sure that you pay attention closely, because we wouldn't want you guys to be unsuccessful, especially because we know that you can earn $1,000 with this method as long as you listen and follow closely. Now, for those people who live under a rock, Instagram is basically Facebook. Except you can only post photos, videos, stories, and etc. You cannot post like just texts or statuses or whatever, and most people use it to share photos and videos, so that's what it mainly is. Now, are you guys ready to hear what strategy we're using today? Before anything else, this is probably our favorite strategy ever because you can only do it on specific websites, so finding websites that actually offer this strategy is rare and must be used to its advantage. We're going to be taking advantage of Upleap by using their affiliate program. That's how we're going to earn. Now, that may not be what you expected, but you have to trust us when we say that affiliate programs are the best kinds of making money online strategies, because all profit made is completely passive and comes in on complete autopilot as well. I mean, not only is it the easiest thing ever to do, it's also the fastest way to make money. Sometimes the earnings may not be as big as you'd like, but once accumulated, you could definitely be making 6 digits in a year. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. Going back to join their affiliate program, scroll to the most bottom part of the page, look for the affiliate options and select. As you can see, the Upleap affiliate program help others grow their Instagram audience faster and get commissions at the same time. There are 4 easy steps to this. 1, become an affiliate for free. Getting started is simple, participation is free and has no hidden costs. Expect affiliate commissions. 4, all orders of clients you bring to the Uplift community. Number 2, once you've joined Uplift's affiliate program, you can generate your own affiliate URL to share with your community. ClickFunnels or anything else that'll generate your orders and revenue. Number 3 is share your URL everywhere. Sharing your URL is crucial to earning yourself a recurring commission. We value affiliates of all sizes, but we really appreciate affiliates that bid out custom funnels to really snowball their own recurring revenue. The more orders we get, the more commissions you'll see. Our top affiliates get paid over $10,000 monthly. Number 4, track earnings and get paid. You'll be able to track every new client you bring to Uplift through your own dedicated affiliate panel. Each client you bring to Uplift delivers you a 30% commission for every order they place with Uplift. Payments are made at thresholds. To sign up, you just click this button, then you'll be brought here. See, you're going to earn a 30% commission. Now, can you imagine? 30% is huge. Now, fill up your first name, your last name, your email, your password, confirm you're not a robot, agree to the terms of service, and then sign up now. So you can see the scripts that we have made for you that you can easily just copy paste, because this is the script that's for sure that's going to get people to click on your link. And that is what we want. You can easily just copy and paste this into your affiliate's website. If they read this post and click on this link right here and make a purchase, you can earn 30% of the profit. Now that you have the script and you're signed up as an affiliate, you're going to have to make the ultimate decision of where you're going to share this post, this affiliate link of yours. This is where Quora.com comes in. This is where we're going to be getting all the traffic that we need and all the money that we want. Just sign up for a free account, post your copy-pasted post with your unique affiliate link, and boom, watch that money just flow straight into your account like a river. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next, so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. Millions of people go on this website every day, and that's why there's no better place to put it but here, and that is basically everything. Now, we need you to remember that you can post this on all social media platforms. You are not limited to Quora, but this is just our best suggestion. You have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, you can do forums, you can do Tumblr, and just a lot more. You can even make a YouTube video. If you're a YouTuber, you can just make a random one and then just say, hey guys, I have like a link down below in my comment section. So that's really all you need to do. And a lot of people, all the traffic that you're gonna bring to that website with your affiliate link is going to help you earn more money on top of the commission. That 30% commission you're earning, you're still gonna get money for driving traffic inside their website with your link. And that's basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.